In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Remote Desktop in Chrome, step by step, so you can set up remote access to your computer quickly and easily. This is a great method if you want to access your computer from another device, work from home, or help manage files and tools without being physically in front of the machine. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on the computer you want to control remotely. Once Chrome is open, go to remotedesktop.google.com. This is Google's official remote desktop page, and it's where you'll set everything up. After the page loads, look for the Remote Access option and click it. This section is specifically for allowing another device to connect to this computer later. Next, click Turn On. This begins the setup process for remote access, and Chrome will guide you through a few quick steps. Now you'll be asked to enter a computer name. Choose a name that is easy to recognize, especially if you plan to connect to multiple computers in the future. For example, you could name it something like Office PC, Home Laptop, or Main Work Computer. After that, you'll need to set a PIN. Make sure the PIN is at least 6 digits long. This PIN is important because it helps protect your computer from unauthorized access, so choose something secure but easy enough for you to remember. Once your PIN is entered and confirmed, click Start to finish the setup. At this point, Chrome Remote Desktop will begin enabling access on your computer. Depending on your system, you may be prompted to approve a few permissions or install a small component if it hasn't already been set up. Just follow any on-screen instructions until the process is complete. When everything is finished, your computer is now ready for remote access. That means you can use another device, sign in with the same Google account, enter your PIN, and connect to this computer from anywhere. This is especially useful for remote work, troubleshooting, or simply accessing your files when you're away from your desk. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up Remote Desktop in Chrome. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.